Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. It is early morning, so sorry my voice is not quite awake yet. I am in the hearth room and I'm excited because I have something special to share with you. I have the June Joyful Jordan box and it is not yet June. So in order to get this early and be able to give you the sneak peek, I had at least $500 in sales. They have a special every month for the consultants that if you sell at least $500 by the 15th of the month, then you can earn the next month's Joyful Jordan box for free and you get it early. So it's always fun for me to be able to get a chance to sneak peek this for you and share what's coming out next month. And if you're not familiar, Jordan Essentials offers the Joyful Jordan box as a monthly surprise box. It's always filled with goodies that are exclusive to that box, and it is $25 to purchase the box. If you do the recurring subscription, then you get free shipping on it, and it's always valued at least $35 in products. So not only are you getting a chance to try maybe something new or something that you haven't seen in the catalog, but you're also getting a great deal on some products. And what I love about it too is even if I don't want everything in the box, then I've got a great deal on some things I can use for gifts. So I kind of keep the extra stash that I think, well, I might be able to share that with someone else. So these are also great. You can order one to send to a friend as a gift. If you have a friend far away from you with a birthday coming up, or you just want to surprise them, then you can have one shipped directly to them. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. As you know, these come in this cute floral design. So the side says open a little joy. It has Jordan Essentials there, and then the back is ready to go. You can put your label, or if you want to have the kids decorated a little bit if you're sending it out to grandma, and you can send it with a little special message there. All right, and as you open it up, so I'm gonna try and do this carefully here. On the inside, it's real cute and it says, "Hey there," which I think is always kind of fun. Okay, so let's see what we have. And the box comes with a special message each time, so this little card will tell you a little bit about what's in the box, but on the flip side it either has a quote from Nancy, the owner, or just a Bible verse. So this one says, "But as for me, I will always have hope," and that's from Psalm 71:14. So let's flip it over and you can see here we have the there's some good ones in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you were around last year, I believe it might have been the June Joyful Jordan box last year, sometime last summer, we had a box that had the special nail repair serum. So I'm excited. If you liked that, this is a chance to get it again. And it says the nail repair serum is a nourishing serum that hydrates cuticles, nails, and areas like knuckles or heels, or you could probably use it on your elbows too, with ingredients like jojoba and tea tree oil. So that is an awesome little treat right there. And I don't know the value on that because that's never been in the actual catalog. That's just something we've had in a Joyful Jordan box. And this is another one that I bet some of you are really excited about. So if you've been around for a while, Jordan Essentials used to sell a cute cuticle stick. So this is coming back in this Joyful Jordan box. This one is in the coconut lime scent. And the cuticle stick is kind of like a little chapstick, but it has some vitamin E added to it. So it says, "Extra rich in vitamin E to keep your cuticles looking beautiful and keep painful cuticles under control." So these are a really nice one. You can throw one in your purse, or I like to keep one in the car. So if I'm sitting at a stoplight for a second, I can just grab that and work that lovely, it's a beeswax base, and then it has a vitamin E. I can work that into my cuticles. Or you can put it in your pamper basket. If you followed along and saw my pamper series, you know, I still have my pamper basket sitting by my cushy chair in my bedroom, and every once in a while I'll just sit down and grab something fun out of there. So this would be good to throw in your pamper basket as well. All right, here we have our hair serum, and this is in the regular catalog. I believe it's $20, so already this is a really good value on this box for only $25. The hair serum, I absolutely love this. If you have dry hair at all, or if you just need something to tame flyaways, it works really well. And I've had several customers who didn't think they had that very nice of hair or curly hair. They thought they just kind of had frizzy, dry hair, and they've been using the hair serum and their hair is looking gorgeous. They have these soft, beautiful waves or loose curls coming in, and it's just their natural hair, but because of the hair serum giving them that moisture that they needed, everything's calmed down and looking great. So that's something good. If you wanted to try that, this would be a great box to get, just so that you can get a good deal on the hair serum to give that a try, and then all these other great products too. And it says the hair serum go from frizz to finished in seconds. Dry, damaged hair is replenished and restored, and I would say that is definitely true. I have naturally curly hair and I love using the hair serum, and this is the other thing that I love, which I'm really excited to see. So this is our daily conditioner, and this is a smaller 4-ounce size. So this size of a daily conditioner is not in the catalog. I think the smallest we have right now is an 8-ounce. So this is a great little travel size bottle, or if you just wanted to try it, again, this would be a good deal to just try this out and see what you think of it. So the daily conditioner, it says, is a lightweight formula packed with botanically enriched ingredients to support healthy hair, and I love this. So this box I feel like was made for me, so thanks Nancy for putting together one of my favorite collections. I use our daily conditioner only because I have naturally curly hair. I don't even use shampoo at all because my hair is just so dry, and what I love to do is really get it loaded up with our conditioner when I'm in the shower. It's nice and my hair is really soaked in water, and then I load it up with the conditioner and just let that sit while I'm doing my shower. And then right before I jump out of the shower, I'll rinse that out with cold water. So if you have curly hair, rinsing in cold water helps to seal the cuticle and seal in some moisture. And then when I get out, I just loosely towel dry, but not with a towel, because a towel acts like Velcro for your naturally curly hair and it causes frizz. So I use an old t-shirt, and then the hair serum is kind of my finishing touch. Once my hair air dries, then I just do a couple of squirts of the hair serum in my fingertips and smooth that out on the ends or around my face where I have a few flyaways. So anyway, this is an awesome box. Again, lots of great stuff. I think if this is 20, I want to say these cuticle sticks are about 5, and I'm not sure on the conditioner because normally it's an 8-ounce. Let's see. So the 8-ounce is $16.50. So let's say that's a $9 tube. Then you've already basically gotten the nail serum for free. So this is an awesome deal on some really good products and a great chance to try out some things if you've been curious. And I will put my information down below. If you have any questions, just jot them in the comments, or you can message me. And like I said, this will be available June 1st through the end of June, through June 30th, 2020. After that, it goes away, and the only way you can get any of the products is if they're in the regular catalog. So some of these things you won't be able to get again after that. So if you want to give them a try, I would say this is a great box to get started with at the beginning of the month, and then give it a try and see if you want to get 1 or 2 before that month ends. So all right, there you go. That is your June Joyful Jordan box with all of these lovely goodies in there and that cute little card from Nancy. And as it says, it's a little box of awesomeness, which is so cute too. All right, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye. And the box always comes packaged in this cute little floral design. On the side it says open a little joy, and then as we get here